So here's a second example for section 2.5 to help you along with your Questy homework awesomeness. I gave you, and we don't have a formula here, I just drew a picture. And this is a graph of a function where the x's are the inputs, the y's are the outputs, just like always. And the problem is, where is this increasing, where is it decreasing, where is it constant? And remember, that's always as x grows, just like x was time, as we're marching from left to right. Is it going uphill, is it going downhill, or is it neither? So that's a pretty easy question to ask, right? It's pretty easy to see, as long as we remember to read it like we read a book, that it's going downhill, then it's going uphill, then it's going downhill, then it's going uphill. So I'm like, all right. We just got to find a way to say it, and then we're done. So let's get some dotted line awesomeness going on here. So we're going downhill. Then we're going uphill. Then we're going downhill. Then we're going uphill. See this dot here? That means the function stops, right? Arrow means goes forever. Dot means it stops. So there's another dotted line here because nothing happens out here. This is a no man's land. No function here. Very sad face. So this is downhill and this is downhill. So I better start figuring out how to write these as intervals. It's going downhill from forever all the way up to here. And where is here? This is -10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this must be -2. This is -4. I'm going to call this -3. So from -infinity all the way up to -3, it's going downhill. It's going downhill here too, right? And I'm kind of guessing that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is probably 1. And this is probably 4, don't you think? I like that. So 1, 4. Did you see how I put roundy brackets on these numbers? Don't forget, if you're a local min or a local max, you don't count as going uphill or downhill. You're a local min. How can it be decreasing or increasing if you're a min? You're the lowest guy around. You're like the scum of the graph. So, okay, what happens next? Where are we increasing? Where are we going uphill? It's like the other spots, right? Duh. So check it out. We got to find a way to say this interval, and we got to find a way to say this interval. So I'm kind of guessing it's like in between these two, right? So -3 all the way up to 1. These are all uphill guys. -3 all the way up to 1. And then here to here, it was tricky. I had to remember to stop here. 4 all the way up to maybe 6? I'm guessing. So 4 to 6 with a U. Is this graph constant anywhere? I don't think so. Doesn't look flat anywhere to me. So constant? Nowhere! And I win.